everyone! Come learn about God with us. Let's learn, love, and grow together. God bless you!
Auntie, can I ask you something?
Of course, my love. What's on your mind?
I was thinking about the sign of the cross, and I really want to understand.
Sometimes the best way to explain that is with a story.
A story?
Yes. Come closer. Let me tell you one. Hi, I'm Joanna. Every morning before school, I kneel down to pray. Before I say a word, I make the sign of the cross. When I touch my head, I remember God the Father in heaven. When I touch my chest, I remember Jesus, His Son, who loves me. And when I touch my shoulders, I remember the Holy Spirit, who helps me choose what is right every day. One morning, my brother Richard watched me and asked why I do it. I told him it's not just a sign. It's a reminder that God is always with us. That night, I saw Richard kneel down and try it too, and I smiled. Richard knelt beside his bed and prayed with the sign of the cross, just as he had learnt from me in the morning. Richard slept that night with the feeling of being close to God. And that's the end of our story. Now I hope you understand.
Yes, Auntie, I understand. As Catholics, we make the sign of the cross before and after every prayer.
That's right, my love. It helps us remember God and stay close to Him always.
Plant your seed today by making the sign of the cross before and after all your prayers. When you enter the church,
And at the beginning and end of the Holy Mass.